I'm prepping this for spring, so because I'm just doing a little bit at a time. So what I've done at the bottom, you guys know I'm trying to do kind of a hugelkultur kind of a thing a little bit. I've got cactus sponge, or what do you call it, underneath. I've got a little bit of greens, leaves, green weeds, and I've just shoved down like some leaf mold in here, and I've got a layer of dirt, and I'm only going to do it like 3/4 of a way. I'm going to let it sit till spring, and I'm also putting a handful of worms, look, in the pots. So that way the worms will eat all this food that I'm giving them. And then I'm layering it. This has been out in the rain. It's straw or hay. I don't remember which one. Always use organic though. Otherwise it'll kill everything with the poison, with the pesticide. And then the worms can come and eat this hay also. This hay is going to keep this dirt moist. And then when spring comes, I'm going to put compost, more dirt, and take the hay and put it back on top. So this is just prepping the soil to make it easier for me. I'm going to be making like a little mini worm casting bucket kind of, and get everything halfway ready for spring. So as you can see, this smells so bad, but it's been sitting. It's great because it's wet, so it's going to hold the moisture. I'm going to stack the buckets on top of each other, and then the last bucket is going to have like this, the empty soil bag. And I use Kellogg's raised bed potting mix. So that's it.
Over and out. Thank you. Hit it,
Add
Mama.
the worms. Louie likes the funky smell of this hay.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey now, hey now. Da, 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 da. Hey now, hey now. Funky smelling stuff. Play that funky hay.
Why, girl?
Play that funky. I'm getting these pots ready for spring because I can only do just a little bit every day. And so those of you who are elderly will understand that. So I'm just doing a little bit at a time. So what I'm doing right now is I'm prepping these pots. So I have cactus in my yard, and some of it has died. So we've pulled it down and like shredded it. It's like little sponges. So I'm putting this at the bottom of the pots to hold the moisture. I am just this is an experiment. So, and then I'm putting some weeds down in here, and then I'm going to put some dirt. Are you still videoing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm just videoing.
Okay. And then I'm going to put worms, and I'm going to let that sit for like a month or so, and the worms can eat and have food. And then by then, I'm just filling the pot like 3/4 of a way, right? Mm-hmm. And then by the springtime comes, this pot will be ready, and fertile, and I'll add some more stuff in there, but I'll add the compost and worm castings later. And there probably should be worm castings already in here because the worms are eating that. So that's what I'm doing and experimenting with.
Okay, bye.
Bye.